Hi students, welcome to CIS 173 animation, and I am your instructor Chrissy Hughes. I'm doing this little recording just to introduce myself and to go through the workflow that's required for the course for this term. As you can see, we have introduction. It is pretty much required that you download Adobe Creative Cloud Animate for this course. There aren't really any other options. We work in Animate, so that's something you want to make sure that you are getting the student subscription, because that's a discount. It's usually $20 a month. There's probably a free trial. Certainly you can try and go that route first. Next, this Ohio State Pressbook Books. This is our open education resource book. It's a textbook. We will be referring to much of the content within this textbook for the course. So your quizzes will originate, all the content for the quizzes will originate in this open education resource book from Ohio State. Okay, so that is here. Adobe Creative Cloud is here. You can reach me if you have any questions or concerns in my office Tuesdays from 9 to 1, Wednesdays from 10 to 2, and Fridays by appointment from 10 to 2. Virtually, I'm happy to send any kind of demonstration videos or to connect with you online, answer questions via email. Please allow a 24 to 48 hour time frame. Most often you'll hear back within that 24 hours. And then you can also find me during these times in William Atkinson above the library on Central Campus, 226E. Okay, be sure you read the syllabus. That's super important. This is the number one thing, that kind of a contract between you and I. Make sure you understand what's required of the course. We have 6 exercises. We have some participation and discussions. We have one major project, animation project, and then we have some quizzes that stem from that book. Okay. Next, if you scroll down, you can see where I've kind of drafted out sort of a timeline of what we're doing, focusing on vector graphic, then tweens, then navigating frames, action, and timing, and then frames, action, and timing continued, and then importing files, exporting, and publishing your animation. And then we're going to reflect and kind of talk about our experience. And it's an accelerated course, so be sure you're prepared and you don't fall behind. If you have any communication issues, you must contact me as soon as possible. I allow for up to 20% deduction for up to a week. After that, it's a 0. So any late work, it's an accelerated course, so I have to do that for these 7-week courses. Make sure that no later than a week you are late. Okay? Please connect with me. I want to see you succeed, so I'm here to support you and help. Head into the forum after you read the syllabus and make sure that you post to the forum. Thank you, Travis, for doing that so far. It's great. So we can create a community amongst us. This isn't a very big class, so it'll be good to kind of connect back and forth together. So this very first module, I guess you could call it a module or a unit, you want to do your introduction, read through the syllabus, download your Adobe Animate, and then head to this very first unit. You want to download these graphics, use them for this workspace exercise, and then you're going to do this quiz and participate in the forum. Sounds like a lot, but really it's not that bad for this first week. So I will be revealing the second week's content. I'm hoping to do this every week by Saturday or early Sunday. There might be a week or two that I'm not able to get to it that fast, but I'm trying to get these out to you as soon as possible so that you can work ahead. Get ahead on things. Everything's due every Sunday by midnight. So if this is revealed, it's due next Sunday on the 19th by midnight. So, and then this stuff should be revealed to you the next unit on the 18th. And then that's not due until the 26th by midnight. So I hope that gives you an idea of our workflow. We're going to be concentrating on the history. We're going to talk a lot about theory, animation, as well as computer graphic animation, work on history, timeline, and tweens, vector graphics, tweens, masks, texts, navigating frames. We're going to be doing our keyframes on our timeline, action, timing, and movement, phase 1, phase 2, and then we're going to export, publish, and import. And then we're going to reflect. So if you have questions, let me know. I think this is going to be a very fun and exciting course. And I look forward to working with all of you. Enjoy the term. It goes fast. Do your best to keep up and connect with me during office hours if you need additional help. Okay, best of luck, and I'll see you in the virtual space. Bye-bye.